Member State of the Arab League Asia Portal History Portal. The Speaker of the People's Assembly of Syria represents the People's Assembly, Syria's legislature, signs documents and speaks on its behalf. Throughout its history, the Speaker has been responsible for representing the Assembly. As of 2017, 30 different people have served as speakers. A People's Assembly is elected every fourth calendar year. The first meeting of a newly elected People's Assembly is responsible for electing its Speaker. The People's Assembly should meet at least 3 times a year. The Speaker has the power to convene an extraordinary meeting of the Assembly. The guards of the People's Assembly are under the authority of the Speaker. 60 days before the term of the President expires, the Speaker calls for new elections. All presidential candidates have to be approved personally by the Speaker. If only one candidate is acceptable, the Speaker is supposed to postpone the elections. The election result is to be announced when the results have been counted.